few months ago, I have a consultation and a client who came from the Philippines, hired by a company here in Canada. They actually have a contract and an LMIA stating that he's supposed to be working in a different company. Unfortunately, what they did, iba na naman yung kanilang pinaglagyan ng kanyang work. So instead na mag-work siya na nasa factory, ginawa siyang tagalinis. So that's what happened. Then he came to me, he asked me, what am I gonna do? It is too dangerous itong ginagawa ko, na tagalinis ako sa bubungan ng mga whatever things na umaakyat pa siya just to clean the company's facilities. The problem was talagang it was completely a abusive situation kasi he was receiving income from the present contract and also the LMIA, and that was the expectation of this worker. So what I did, I said, you know what, you can apply for open work permits under vulnerable worker, and usually it will gonna take at least 2 weeks to 3 weeks in order for him to get that, but it took like months actually. But right now I want to read the result. Actually, I think they investigated also before they can actually issue, because this is an abusive situation. He signed a contract and approved an LMIA, got an approval of an LMIA na sa factory siya, and then ginawa siyang tagalinis dito sa Canada pagdating niya. So eto siya, good day. The open work permit for the applicant blank has been approved, and that's today. Please confirm the mailing address as follows, which is my mailing address as a representative, and then thanks from officer blah, and then case processing agent, domestic network. Ito yung mga nag-a-approve na mga abuso ng mga workers. It is from Domestic Network, Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada. So congratulations, RB. Your work permit, open work permit, in order for you to be able to find an employer, and you're gonna be free for a couple of, I don't know kung hanggang kailan yun, makikita ko. I think usually they give 1 year na open permit sa mga vulnerable. So congratulations ulit. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for your respect. Thank you for allowing me to handle your case from a abusive employer, and you turn out to have an open permit because you deserve it. Again, congratulations, and this is Norlin Oligo Sarma, your licensed immigration consultant. God bless everyone.